Okay, this is a hopper. One hopper, about 10 hoppers. One hopper, you see? So this is for the sale. So this is product. 没有了，介绍完了。You say I can stand here. Accept the weight about 1 kilograms. You see, this is full.
結束就講，你講完就講啊，收場啦嘛。
This is full grader stainless this 304. You see? 1, 2, 3, about 10 hoppers. Okay. Okay, let me show you one oil packing machine. You see, here and there about 3.39 millimeters. Yeah. You see? Here. And
差唔多得啦。
the total height is over. 講完啦嘛？
收啊。
Okay, thank you.